How to calculate discounted payback period in Excel spreadsheet. We will learn in this video. So let's get started. Alright, here we can see that we have a questions, that is this one, okay, and this is about the computation part. We will calculate, okay, based on these informations, and we have a 10% discounted rate, okay. Under this tool of capital budgeting, that is discounted payback period, there is a little bit different from the payback period. In this period we have to discount that CFAT, while in the payback period we will only use the actual CFAT, right? So this is the basic difference between the payback period and discounted payback period. All right, and it's a very simple it's a very simple, because the formula of discounted payback period and payback period both are same, okay. Only these two column has been added, okay. All right, so now let's calculate it quickly. So we have to calculate first PVIF. PVIF means present value interest factor, and it can be calculated by simply dividing the value 1 by 1 plus discounted rate to the power n, okay. So let's calculate it. So press the equal to sign now and press the value 1, divide by, press the open parenthesis, and now press the value 1 plus discounted rate, that is this one, and now press the FO key to absolute reference. Now press the close parenthesis, now press the power sign from your keyboard, and now select this one, that is n or year, n in the form of year, okay, and now press the enter key. All right, now click here and drag from here to here. All right, now for the second column, that is the present value of CFAT, it can be calculated by simply multiplying the CFAT to PVIF, okay. So press the equal to sign, click here, time, click here, now press the enter key. All right, now click here and drag from here to here. All right, now cumulative present value of CFAT, it can be calculated by using the sum function in Excel. So press the equal to sign, type the sum, press the tab and click here, okay, and now press the shift and colon, okay, from your keyboard. Now press the close parenthesis, and now before the pressing the enter key, click here and now fix this cell. So press the FO key. All right, and now click here, now press the enter key. All right, now click here and drag from here to here, okay. Now this column is our working note column, and I have created this column due to show our negative value only here, okay, by using the if function. So let's calculate it. So press the equal to sign, type the if, and now let's make the condition. If this will is less than 0, then this value will be shown here, otherwise dash, okay, and dash should be placed between the quotation mark. Now press the close parenthesis, now press the enter key. All right, now click here and drag from here to here. All right, now let's come to our formula section, that is this one, and it can be calculated by minimum year plus cumulative present value during the minimum year divided by present value after minimum year. So let's calculate it, the minimum year first, and it can be calculated by using the index and match function in Excel. So press the equal sign, type the index here, now press the tab, and let's select this column because we will get the year from this column, okay, and now press the FO key to absolute reference, comma, tap the match function here, and now press the tab, and let's select this one, okay, and add a minus sign here, okay, and now press the comma, now select this column, okay, we will get the cumulative present value of CFAT from this column, okay. Now press the FO key to absolute reference, now press the 0 to exact match, now press the close parenthesis, now again press the close parenthesis, now press the enter key. All right, you can see that the value is showing not available due to blank the value in this cell, okay. If you want to remove this one, you can add the if error function here. So click here and now type the if error and press the tab, and now click here, now press the value double quotation mark to show the value blank, okay. Now press the enter key. All right, now let's calculate the cumulative present value during the minimum year, and it can be calculated by simply using the max function here. So press the equal to sign, type the max function here, and select this one. Okay, and now press the F4 key. Now press the close parenthesis, and now before pressing the enter key, let's add the ABS function here, and now click here. Now press the close parenthesis, ABS function, to convert the negative value into the positive one. Okay, because we will get the positive value. Now press the close parenthesis. Now press the enter key. All right, we can see that we have a 1021.79 in value in the minimum year. You can see here. Okay, now let's calculate the present value after minimum year. That means we have to get this value, okay, after minimum year, because the after minimum year means the fourth year present value of CFAT. Okay, so now let's calculate it, and it can be calculated by using the if function, same as the payback period. Okay, so press the equal sign, write the if function, and select this one. If this equals to the positive value, that is this one, then what will happen? We will get this value. Okay, similarly, if this value equals to this one, then we will get this value, and so on. Okay, now press the enter key. All right, you can see that we have 2732.05. you can see here. Okay, we have the value during the minimum years, this one. Okay, and after minimum year, this one. Okay, that means our calculation is right. Now let's combine all these value into a one cell to get the actual discounted payback period. Okay, and it can be calculated by simply adding. So press the equal to sign. Now press the open parenthesis. Now press the value this plus, press the open parenthesis. Now select this one, divide by this one. Now press the close parenthesis, and now before pressing the enter key, I'm going to add a round function here to make the value up to 2 decimal places. Okay, and now click here. Now press the comma, and now press the value 2, and now press the close parenthesis. Now again I'm going to add and percentage here, and type the word years. Okay, to display our years between the quotation mark, to display our value along with the word years, because we are calculating the years, right? So that I have added this one. Okay, and now press the enter key. All right, you can see 3.37 is our discounted payback period in years. Okay, all right, now you can see that I've made this sheet dynamic. If you will change this value or this value or this value, the value will automatically change. For example, I am going to change the discount rate from 10 to any other number, for example 15%. Let's see what will be the effect in this sheet. All right, you can see 3.72. all right, and you can see the minimum year, now we have 3 years. Okay, you can see that. All right, and after minimum year value is 2287. Here you can see 2287. all right, so that means our calculation is correct. Okay, so guys, it's a very easy to calculate it. That's all for now. If you find it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any query regarding this video or regarding this topic, you can let me in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Signing off.